Aloha fellow collectors and welcome to Long's Toys. Today we are taking a look at the fifth wave of candy toy raise buckles for Kamen Rider Geats. We have the Beat Axe raise buckle, the King Oger raise buckle, and the Kabuto Zector raise buckle. Now full disclosure, there is 5 in this lineup, but the Zombie Breaker and the Ninja Dueler already came with that Geats Special Mission box, which also had a Magnum Shooter raise buckle, which I guess is still exclusive to that mission box. So if you got that, then you don't have to pick up these two, because you probably already have them. So that's why I'm not showing them here, because I already reviewed them in that video. So I'm only taking a look at the 3 that are kind of, in this wave. Now, the funny thing is that the Kabuto Zector raise buckle was previously released as an apparel pack-in item, and it was really difficult to get. So it's kind of surprising that they would then go ahead and just put it in the candy toy wave, because this is obviously a much easier option to get this. That was really surprising, but I was very thankful because these were going for a lot online because they were a part of that apparel exclusive, but no longer. So if you do need this one still, definitely check Candy Toy Wave 5. Much easier to get it this way. And then here we have the King Oger raise buckle, which I'm really excited about. I always like when they cross over Rider and Sentai with each other's gimmicks. I think that's really fun. And then we have the Beat Axe here, which more than likely will just make the beat sounds in the Desire Driver, but we'll check that out. So pretty cool. Packaging's pretty simple here. It just kind of shows the buckle, and of course using it with the Desire Driver, we have Geats and Nago here on top. And then up here we have Geats and the entire King Oger team. And then up here, of course, we have Geats and Kabuto. So the rest of the packaging is pretty much just warnings and whatnot. Not really much going on there. So I'm going to go ahead and get these 3 out of the boxes here, and we'll take a closer look. Alright, so first up we will take a look at the Beat Axe buckle. This thing is honking. I can't believe how tall this is. I feel like it doesn't really need to be that thick, but there it is. You can see that it is primarily molded in blue, and then you have a little bit of metallic pink there, and then you just kind of push this down to activate it. Here is the QR code, and then of course the 067 should be exactly the same as the Beat buckle. So we'll go ahead and pop this on. So there you go, it is just the Beat buckle. Next up we have the King Oger raise buckle. I think this one looks really, really cool. I like this quite a bit. It's just like the Legend Rider one, so you can flip this around depending on which side you want to attach it to. It is done in black and red, which looks really sharp. There is the QR code, and it is 053. Let's try it out.
Super Sentai. Ready. Fight.
So it doesn't specifically say King Oger, it just says Super Sentai. They usually build in kind of a generic sound for Super Sentai, and they don't really, probably didn't even know that what King Oger was going to be called when they actually put this toy out.
Super Sentai. Strike.
And then lastly, we have the Kabuto Zector. Really happy to finally have this one. I thought it was going to be really, really hard to find. Love the red and blue color scheme here. Here is the QR code, and it is number 42. And again, you can flip this around depending on which side you want to connect it to.
Kabuto Zector.
So that's really cool. It does the cast off sound effect. I love that.
Kabuto. Strike.
Alright, so we'll do a couple combinations here.
Kabuto Zector. Set.
I think it's kind of fun how it's like duel on, cast off.
Kabuto Super Sentai Victory. Set. Duel on. Release. Super Sentai. Ready? Fight. Beat Super Sentai Victory. Kabuto Sector. Duel on. Release. Cast off. Change battle. Ready? Fight. Beat Kabuto Victory.
Next up, I'm going to try them out with Boost. I'm not going to do the Beat Axe because that's just going to be Beat and Boost, and we've heard that before. So I'm just going to do the two new ones here.
Set. Set. Duel on. Boost. Super Sentai. Ready? Fight. Boost Super Sentai Victory. Boost time. Boost Super Sentai Grand Victory. Kabuto Sector. Duel on. Boost. Cast off. Change battle. Ready? Fight. Boost Kabuto Victory. Boost time. Boost Kabuto Grand Victory.
And of course, we got to try them out in the Magnum Shooter 40X. Now we know that this should just be Beat.
Beat. Tactical Blast.
And I would assume this one's just going to say Kamen Rider.
Kamen Rider. Tactical Blast.
But I'll be very interested to see what the Sentai one says.
Super Sentai. Tactical Blast.
So there we go. It says Super Sentai just like the Desire Driver. Very cool. I think this is a really great wave. Beat Axe is very cool. Very happy to finish out the main weapons there for the main Rider's buckles. King Oger buckle is absolutely fantastic. I really love when Rider and Sentai cross over into each other's gimmick lines. And then just completely amazed still that the Kabuto Zector was just put in this wave because, again, it was previously exclusive to an apparel pack-in, and that was a nightmare to track down. So this is a really fantastic wave. Definitely recommend checking them out. I actually got this trio on Toe Collectibles. He was offering a bundle of just these three, which is really nice because I did not need the other two because I already had them from the Geats Special Mission box. So definitely check out over there. If he's still got them, go ahead and grab them there. I thought it was a pretty reasonable price with shipping and everything. I think it was $30 for the set, which I think is pretty reasonable. Otherwise, check your usual secondary marketplaces, Mandarake, Yahoo Japan Auctions, Japanese Mercari, things like that. But yeah, definitely want to add these to the collection. I think they're all really, really cool. And again, I'm just still amazed that this happened because that's wild to me. But in any case, definitely recommend these. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And as always, thanks so much for watching.